Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming materials and tag type. NTag 215 is common for access cards, NTag 213 for simple URLs. Once done, open your NFC Writer app and verify it can detect a blank tag. Place the tag on a flat, clean surface and attach the keyring loop if using a rigid tag. Make sure to remove phone case and enable NFC, then tap to read. If the tag doesn't show, move slowly and align phone coil over the tag until the app responds. Now you write the NFC payload and personalize it. You select the NDEF type, URL for quick links, vCard for contact sharing, or custom access data for smart locks, and enter the content in the app. Tap to write and then immediately read back to confirm accuracy. If you need permanence, set a password or permanently lock the tag. However, note locked tags cannot be rewritten. Once content is correct, add a thin protective layer or sticker so the epoxy adheres uniformly. Finish by sealing the tag into the keychain. You mix clear epoxy in small 1 batches, pour gently to cover the tag, and use a toothpick or quick heat burst to remove bubbles. Make sure the resin cures fully per instructions before handling. Partial cure can trap moisture and alter read range. After curing, trim excess and attach to your keys. If the tag becomes unreadable, try another phone, rerun the write/read sequence, or replace the tag. Interference or metal nearby often causes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.